Have you ever felt like you are running on a treadmill, working harder than ever but never moving forward? It's a feeling many people know all too well, a sense of being stuck behind an invisible wall that separates you from the life you dream of. This wall is often called poverty, but it is not just about a lack of money. It is a system of rules, beliefs, and circumstances. Understanding these rules is the first step to dismantling the wall, brick by brick. Recognize patterns that hold you back so you can forge a new path forward, one small, intentional step at a time. Rule 1. Poverty is 50% circumstances and 50% accepting those circumstances as unchangeable. Many are born into situations they did not choose, but the trap springs when you believe your destiny is fixed. Failing once does not mean you are not meant for success. Small action. Change one tiny routine today. Read one page about money or save a single dollar. Rule 2. Being broke is temporary. Being poor is a mindset of no hope and no options. A bonus arrives and the thought is, it won't matter, I'll always be poor. Small action. Set one achievable 30-day money goal. Create a target. Build faith through action. Rule 3. Educated people can exploit the uneducated. If you don't understand contracts, interest rates, or investments, you're at a disadvantage. Example: a high-interest payday loan traps you in debt. Small action. Enroll in a free course on budgeting or compound interest. Rule 4. Parents can't teach wealth if they never learned it. They teach survival, caution, even distrust of wealth. Example: only take the safest job, stifling potential. Small action. Teach a simple money habit. Save spare change. Rule 5. The hardest working person likely lives in poverty. Hard work feeds today. Leverage builds tomorrow. Leverage tools, systems, and opportunities. Small action. Add one skill: inventory, customer service, or scheduling. Rule 6. Poverty requires company. Your circle shapes your ceiling. Find one person with positive goals. Start a conversation. Rule 7. Don't just wait for help. Opportunity favors preparation. Small action. Take initiative today. Refresh your resume or fix one thing. Rule 8. Poverty has many chains. List yours. Break the weakest first. Rule 9. The belief in luck becomes a trap. People buy dreams instead of investing in reality. Small action. Automate a tiny weekly saving. Rule 10. Empty entertainment steals time, focus, and ambition. Swap 30 minutes of passive content for learning or exercise. Rule 11. Money flees undisciplined hands. Small action. Track every dollar for 1 week. Rule 12. Debt and consumerism are modern slavery. The treadmill is designed to keep you buying and owing. Small action. Choose the smallest debt and pay extra until it's gone. Rule 14. Money doesn't grow on trees unless you plant. Invest small, care consistently, let time compound. Small action. Start a $5 weekly auto-invest. Rule 15. Dying poor is a choice. Time is your greatest leverage. You don't need 20 years mapped. Define 1 year clearly. You now see the hidden mechanics and traps. Choose one rule. Take one small action. Plant one seed. Today. The path to financial freedom is paved with small, consistent decisions. Your journey begins now.